the Amaretto Sour, a cocktail with a pretty bad rep, but at the same time, it's a guilty pleasure of a lot of people, believe it or not. Today I'm going to show you how I make my version of it, and at the end of the video, I'll let you know why this cocktail is really good to know. The Amaretto Sour is known for being overly sweet, and that's not completely unjustified. Back 30, 40 years ago, and unfortunately in some bars still to this day, it's made with only Amaretto and something called sour mix. And if you don't know what sour mix is, it's basically the powder form of lemon, sugar, and egg whites, and it tastes very artificial and not very good at all. Plus, when you use sour mix, you can't adjust the sour and the sweet ratio because it's already pre-made. So this is what I use in mine. Obviously, Amaretto, the star of the show, some kind of American whiskey. I'm using Jack Daniels today because that's what I had at hand, but it doesn't really matter. If you have a bourbon of some sort, you can use that. I'm also using Giffard Apricot Liqueur, dash of Angostura Bitters, fresh lemon juice, and some Aquafaba. And this is how I make it. Start with your shaker, 1 dash of Angostura Bitters, 1 ounce of Amaretto, half an ounce of your Giffard Apricot Liqueur, 3/4 ounce of your whiskey, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, half an ounce of Aquafaba. I'm going to start by dry shaking this cocktail because we have the Aquafaba in there, so to build up a froth and emulsify the cocktail, you dry shake it first, meaning no ice. Then I'm going to get some ice for it and shake it again. Give it a good hard shake with ice. And then you just have to strain it over ice. I'm going to garnish it with a lemon twist. You also want to spray with a little bit of lemon twist because sometimes whether you're using egg whites or you're using Aquafaba, you can get a little bit of the aroma from that. So you can take that away by doing this. And then you can keep the lemon peel or you can discard it. The Amaretto Sour. Let me see how this is. That really is a yummy little cocktail. Maybe not my natural go-to cocktail, but still pretty darn delicious. The reason why I use whiskey in it is to give the cocktail a little bit of a backbone, but also to keep the sweetness down. And the apricot is just there because I simply think it really works well with the Amaretto. Here's a pro tip for my bartenders, at least in the United States. If you get a customer from abroad asking you for a cocktail not so strong and maybe on the sweeter side, try making them this, just omit the whiskey, and I can almost guarantee you that they will really, really like it. Usually they'll show you their gratitude by saying thank you, thank you, thank you, and leaving you $0 in tip, which is a win-lose situation if you ask me. Anyway, that's all the knowledge I have for you today, but if you want to learn more, hit the goddamn subscription button so you won't miss out, alright? Is it really that hard? Come on. Let me just get this.